Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Here, anyone's here, but here we are. Interesting light last night. Let's get into it. So, guys in the room, we talked about watching on YouTube last night. The plan was sent out here, guys. Before we're on the ES here again for 74.22 to hold its low. Two held its lows. We were looking for rotation up towards 70.61. Oh, look at that. Session for 74.2. Current high of the session is trading. Perfect call right there. This is a very normal nation. This is a 74.22 is a level I laid out just a month ago up there that the market needs to trade this level mathematically. Seeing the result. Great. Really it's all math. Just got to know it. As far as A and Q goes, 27.99. Look below it. Just to the bottom of our 8.8 level. I'm going to still look at the same thing here today. 74.61 here up towards our 74.80 and positive 7,500. Same with the to trade here with the E's, and this is a very currently trading low, but so far daily sense the daily setup is I know talk about this stuff on YouTube. Whole private thing. Just how the market trades and the off of it's all available. Just come in, the free side to it. Charts. So far, the market's doing exactly what it should be. It's levels. See if we get it down. The tough part here about the market in general that we are continuing to sell around. What happens is go up, put a nice floor, test that floor, sell it right. This has been the frustrating part of the weeks. I think for a lot of people, primarily on the side is sustain support sold through. This is normal, right? For this type of right? We're trying to go low. Thing I'm happy about that we're not exploding to the upside. What's happened here? It's like two. Found me downside at 74. Get bought up at 3,600. This is what I specifically said on Sunday. Plan consolidation down. Exactly on. This nice for acceptance. Let's just see what happens. Starting to pull 7. See if we can test 29. But once we get down here, I have a hard time selling where I want it. Math tells me see it on the charts. So a relative down here at all. Working whatever, and we can lower and see what happens. Wait for the bell to ring. As always, man, we'll nail it. Right. So we'll just selling here. Dump. Find sort of a But in this conditions, when I am long, oh, comes back down. The most getting frustrated with this price action is type it. Okay? Soon we'll find a bid, and you'll get your big normal. And what people get frustrated about. Usually, this doesn't come in summer. Sell off, big deep sell. Summer, man, had a good sell. Now, if they do break this here, I said last week, 34 here. But I will say the ES is a lot stronger than here. I know the chart wise and how levels are trading. ES is a lot stronger. 74.61. See what happens. I'll be quiet here. Wait for the. Yeah, go. Patiently. Guys, if you can, my kids in the background once I get out, man. First here, so kids, if you're some young trading prop, like, oh, kids, turn it off. They come. Not enough dads in the trading space. Shout out to dads. Feel my pain. Summer comes. They're climbing on you. Still here. Down into 929. All right. If you're ready, Hajmal. Else in the room? Ah. Now we're good. All right. And another. I mean, no. Right here. There we go. There's 929.5. We're waiting here on the E. This is just what happens, man. Jumping. I'll try one trick here. Try to control it the best way we can. NQ is a lot easier. We don't lose. We just sold right to. See what happens. Sold right into 131. Saying to Griff here before we open, you'd want to see a higher bid. Right into the sell. This is the level I talked about. We're selling. Sell we. So far 61. Rock solid wall, man. It's laid out last. Go. I don't know if everybody got the memo there last night. I sent out updates. Server. Got update on the math. Algo. Talked about. Those are all been pushed. Take place. Here we go. 10 seconds. Selling weakness. Let's see what happens. Get a nice push. So it'll snap it. Tap 9. Let's see what happens. Got 50 bounce here. Do the tick. As always, the initial moves we won't be in, guys, because that's not how we trade. We are searching for liquidity. Let's just chill out here and let levels trade and let close happen. All right. Break 9. So trade it and we'll see. Tell you, my runs are getting brutal out here, man. I'm struggling, guys, and 7 degrees, 38 Celsius. There we go. Look at them slamming. This morning, let's see how low. There at 9. Heavy tape, not reacting on it. Let him trade, folks. Slamming shit here. Same with ES here, and trying to break our 60. Right, there's our 8. Very bottom. Trigger low. Trade, guys. I am getting sick of these sell week. It's randomly. It's not random to get an end. We full body sell. We don't get retests or anything. Frustrating. All right, so far holding 880 here on NQ. We'll see. Sellers are right here at about 9. Typical positioning here. This is where they sell it, 50-20. Slam it. Or a lot of action here at the lows. Back into the offer here. 2 are levels. Perfect holds, and we are still selling some bids here into 8. Hold it. Oh, volume trade, man. It's 5-minute candle. Four, 10,000 con. You're done. See who wins. Pretty nice. 5, 8, 13, 14, 15. Smash it. Here's your bid. 10,000, yeah. 10,000, 13, 14,000 contracts there. Levels late. Oh, pretty good initial volume coming. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Watch 915 here on the NQ. Obviously, our 915 selling. Even get a retest here now. Problem usually up and just up. Everyone chases the drill. So let's just see if we can hit for. Let them trade. See if they try to break new lows here on the NQ. It's a little shifty. Trade 32. See if they flush it here. Got to trade a tick here below. And they do it. Here we'll try to buy overnight. Right. Buyers here on the. See if they're. Quite the difference here between and NQ. Both are red here. For the time. 32 trade. Can we trade? Oh, watch that very carefully. Got. There it is. Spread. Suck. Let's see what happens. Calculate lower. This has been the case here the last couple of days. Watch 32 here. We'll see how much we. Next stop 734, man. 32 breaks. We can trade into 7. If they really want to pound this thing. This is what I hate. It's just open. Sell weak. Selling the buy weakness. So moves. That's for, very small time frame. Pretty weak sell print here into 38 on the ES. Still just letting it trade here. Still a very heavily sold. Still just getting. Shift down on the smaller spread here. Should get. Trigger another. I'm going to give a chance here for 730. See if we get. Might hold 800. You'll have some take. See if they want to. Same with the E. There we go. We're almost at 734 here. We'll get trade. Yeah, 734. It's probably just either come right here at 2 to 8, just take off, or tap 734. Bounce and see. Right now, our spreads are a mess here. Remember what I talked about? Immediate alts, just sell, straight body bar, and then we just immediately First, search. And you're like, hi. There he is. Starts. Give you a chance to enter. Spreads here are hopefully 32 sells here. Let's pull back 730. This is a fast reverse. Seeing it go. Same with the ES. We can get into 26 to 22 here again. We'll see. 41. Back to it. It's a short. Let him sell it. Sign. Sellers here at 32. Here on the NQ. We'll see if we can push down there. Line in the sand here is just above 41. 64. 10, 12,000 contract. Or sellers in control. Sell it. 2 here. How far away? Shift down here. There we go. Let's give it a chance. See how the new look. They're just dog slamming the piss out of this here at 700. Shame. Sells. Here we go. We're almost at 734. Go. 34. Target met. See what happens. Told you. All right. See what happens here. See what happens. Do we find any type of bid? Good level to watch, but shifted down the date. And we could west of that, which would two here on the E. See if we get pretty tired of these. All right. But he's slamming here at 734. Bids curbing that nicely. We'll just see if we develop here. Right. It's a good spot. ES is in the two. It's up to the bears here to break this now. To bottom out here for now. If we do break it, like I said last night, 74.22 opens up 74.02. It's up to the bears here. Held this many times here. See if we up. Sellers are 2 offers there. 62, then up at 32. Target from 734. We'll just see if it holds. Right, could look below all that crap. Start looking. I don't think we'll really give a shot. I think it'll just like hold red and to the upside if it works. I don't think it's going to be. Let's just see what happens. Got just close the candle there. Level red. 5 minutes. Just trade. Held 730. It's a reg. It's always interesting. It's like sell the. It's working, but set around. Sell the. This opens going the exact same. Open and just first 20 minutes. 734, bottom of the first. Oh, there's 8. Yes, hasn't really much here below 20. See how the. That's right. This is why I do my trade plan. By the time we get down to the key level on the ES, we could be below, say, level that I was originally looking at the matchup. Yes, is a more. Now, hey, where's the matchup here? Rate 680. 2 here. All right, now I really. Still heavy, man. Look at all these shorts. One shorting here now from 7 and 750. A brutal auction. Remember yesterday we had 230 minutes straight sold on. Now if this breaks, go lower, we're go to 540. Have multiple shifts lower here. It's just non-stop selling. Every time we find a bid here, the sellers just jump down. They're just like sell. Eventually, sellers are gonna get offside here, and stops are. It's gonna very aggressive tape. Every time we find a low here, they come in and they sell the lows, and we drill. So now we have another floor rated our OS here, 60. It's here, tutorial. See what comes of that. Minute and a half here to go on the close. We'll let the 10-minute bar close. So far, bottom of the reversal zone here on our calculation thing. Basically, the last place 660. The bottom tick. Calculating. Look at the swapped over. Basically, bye. Now we'll see. We're gonna close out 7:30. This thing's just gonna go. It's not even gonna. This has been the problem with the open, right? It just does not. So then you literally have to. We don't get trades like this. Way to get it. Don't get the move to the downside because it's too early. B bounces. Praying. It's kind of settled down. Some tests. So oversold here. Still pretty. You have a short setup. See if they. It's been too. Ask the market. He was more likely to give you just sit here. Long setup is wick is at the stop out of level. Come back down. Same with or continue to sell the rallies. No matter how low we are, sell the rally. See if we can get down to 680 here. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Come on, we're gonna go to 2. Come in the tape close. 700 there in the ink. 6. Well, we're above a 20. After 26.5 level, smaller. It just oh here's 5760 offers. Find that low. See 80 here again. Good old NQ. Zero respect for resistance or support. Down through it. Stops. Hour, and then we're gonna go. There we go. Came into 680 perfectly. Let's see if it'll go to the. This is a 10-minute long, or sorry, a 5-minute long setup. And remember, price likes to go right top out at level. So far, wicked off perfectly. Down here again. A heavily sold auction. Let's see if we put it again. All right, let's see what happens. Still a very heavily sold auction here, but we are finding some support. It's just still getting drilled. Let's see. See if we push through 84. Right, heavy. Selling kicking in back in here. We'll see if we flush here to 22. Get the drop here to 60. Get the drop here to 20. Get it. Go. Go. $74.22. 6. Go. Let's see if this bid holds here. There's not much of a bid here. We'll see if they punish it. See if we 60 here. Pretty 5 minutes here. 4 minutes go to the close of the 30. So I'm not touching this. This works here. Working. Lack of bidding there in the 60, as you can see. We'll just lack of offer 60. 130 contracts there, just 60. Still pretty volatile, but we'll see. Nothing to sell there into 22 here on the E. Little bit of signals here at the bottom here. A little bit of weakness here on the offer. You could just come down here. Let the 30 close. Super just here. Let things. Go. Just a really weak sell print here, too. We'll just see though. It was pretty weak here, and they might, or it's going to get last 2 minutes here. It's going to close weak. See if there's a response. 2 minutes, especially watch the last 30 seconds here. See what they want. One sec here, guys. All right, here we go. Oh, flushed it as usual, last minute. I said stay patient here, guys. Oh, they didn't get the print there. So we got a failed print. I'm not too sure if it's going to calculate. We're going to close very weak. 30 seconds left to go. There's no edge here. Either we open, get bought up right away, or close weak and they sell the open. Really no edge here. Red close. It's a very weak close. They're going to close it on the level. It just depends. This thing turned on. Okay. Here we go. Close. Let's see if they drill it right here. If it just no real edge here. Turned around. Just right on 22. And click on it. Opens. No edge. No entry. They make it really. See if this gets big. It's 32 here on the ES. We'll see. Just 750 here. The stops. Can give us here, probably not. Really tired of this. See if 734 sells. Found their lower line in the sand here into around 760. Yes, just looks. Bids past 30. Go. Past 760. Go. Not interested in the short, or even if it's going. If we do break 22 here, it'll open up the lower. This is the only drawback of versus on. People have no idea. They'll just keep shorting. We do. But we're timid to take a short here. Down here. Breaks, calculate lower. There's downsides to everything. I'll just let this ride. See what happens. 734 sold. Pulled into 732. Currently trying to sell. And on 74. Bought, I think. Through. It's going to pull. So. Let's see. Man, this market stays sold. Get them selling. Goodness. See if they push. Let's see. Let's see if they push it back down. No edge. There's no entry on a long. Waiting for close. Oh, hear the auction coming in here. Nice strong buyer here. There's really nothing on. Very, very thin. See what happens here. Still very, very. So far, the line sand are 760 here. It's immediately sold and same. And then it's 30. Sand holding. All right, there's our 5-minute here, but again, rockets off 22, rockets off west here. Really no setup, just temporary strong buyback candles. And more. This thing just takes off without us, so about it. Goes offer way here to 32. It's not going to pull back here, guys. Up, up, up. It's been really tough to get him. There we go. Rotation here to 80 is done on NQ already. 2. That was fast. Again, just you have a short setup here on the NQ sitting. Tough short to take, man. Can work. Just miss a fill there if you tried to take it. $32. Back up to what's that midpoint here? That would be my goal. Let's trade back to 930. See 920. See what happens. So far the short's working. Took the short. Somewhere. Some close. If not, it's a little ugly. This is just like yesterday's tape. You got this big down move and then offer hold. Continue to sell weak, sell weak. Really, really hard to get. Happens. Big speed. Shorting this. This happens. Still hit. Go right back down to. Yes, here you really don't have that much of a bid support. Let's see. We're back into the bid support here, right into 660. Still no setup long. Just a tape. Might get something here. It's 5 minutes. Gonna close. So it's good work. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Tough auction, right? It's getting it down. Now the ES is a lot better, right? Holding a lot tighter here. The NQ. Now we don't have a long setup here either, right? So just close there. I don't see any. Close that 5-minute bar here on the that. Closes have not played ball. That's tough. Oh, this is tough price action, man. These closes are so ugly. It's just this is what they do. It's like up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Then finally we get the move. Not clean. Just lift the offer and boom, 300 points nonstop. Or we go lower. Right now it's just straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down. Can't get any balance here when this is just how the open goes. A lot of ugly. I will say in the last little bit, really for both. Can't get any traction. Even if you go short, right? I mean, the short there at 780 worked really nice. Our setup there, 280, that worked really. Selling. We're looking for. Texas still bearish market, man. Auction continue to be. Got 2.5 minutes here to go on this 5-minute close, 15-minute close. Still a really ugly. Really seeing any. What are you guys seeing here? Everything's really. Yo, slam. Get it. There it is. Look at all the people slamming the lows here in the 620. So funny. Make a new high or a new low, man. People are just like, boom. Don't care. There's shame in it. Sell it. Slam. Absolutely. Let's see. Here's 6. Here if we drop here to 8. So we're below where I wanted to go. The next stop here is 539. Get down there. No. See how this close. See if they might just take stops here and then same with 74. Basically tag the level. Very nice. No real clean setup there, but I wanted to take a shot there manually. There's nothing up. Up. Good soak there on the ES, man. 1,600 contracts are sold below 22 and they gobbled them up. Gold. See. Slam it. Good battle here. Doing some really good volume below the pull back above 640 here. Selling it really aggressive. Yes, may follow. We'll see. Swipe there into the ES. So far, 22 is a run. And trade the NQ here now. Expansion. Spreads have been 2 days. See what happens here. Down here. 22 again. Let's see if we get a response here. There we go. I took it for 4 points. I manually took that there, guys. I'm in and I'm out here already. Just trying to take little 1-hour trades here. It's the first one. That's a manual trade there, just based off the last touch. I'm not probably going to let maybe leave it 30 minutes. Stab there. Oh, now this could run back up to 32 and 41 off here, but I'm sit and wait this type of tape. One-hour trades on the longs, man. I kind of like what we're doing here. We're doing a lot of bids here, bidding below 640. Oh, and Q and 8, 16. My goodness, 14, 17, 20,000 contracts here below. See if they're able to drill. Just what the just look at how they just keep drilling. There's a very angry offer here at 20. See how this guy's trying. 7,800 contracts, just negative delta, 3,700 on the delta. Positioning lower, trying to go. Really watch him, right? Above 640 on the NQ, that's a trap. Right? He has to short. Now the Bears are in control. Wow, that's a deep. But we held 22 on the ES. So let's see how we close this 30. It's an interesting tape here. Sellers might be inside. They got to sell 40 as soon as it touches here. Watching this, see if they start bidding past 40, 50 here. We're going to see a stop. Nope, that's what happens here. And with the ES here, it's a crowded mess here from 26 into 32. Really no edge here. Holding 22, but might drill. This goes, it's going to be very careful here. Not touching it and let. Here, go for it. Next leg is the 539 here on 600. See that shit? E. Bid. Same with 22 here on the yes. See? This is going to trigger buying here. Now shorts are covering, going, oh shit. Right? Saw that trap at the lows, right? Bear had to go. They're bidding past 640. They have to stop out. Go later. If we rally here now to 730. Might be it, guys. We'll push it. See, we'll let it close here. We got about 10. Oh, the wood jet closes 4 hour. Yo, they're still selling rally here. What do you guys think here? Hole 22 room. Our level has been rock solid. It's been rock solid overnight. We've had a lot of assaults on it so far holding. That bid on the NQ is something serious there at 640, man. Up that inventory. Sorry, what did you say, Griff? Yeah. Take it manually. Yeah, algo didn't get the closes there. Go. All right. Yeah, they're gonna sit, man. See you later. A good tape there, right? Really good lesson on tape. You guys want to watch tape? Go watch, especially the NQ there. 0640. We can review that in the meeting. Really good tape sequence. Now we'll see if we start climbing back up. 31.5. 2422 has been rock solid for very well. Not out of the woods yet. Basically, the lows of today is basically the by day. What do? Sell the previous highs. They're buying. Oh, inside. NQ is way out of that. We're not out of the woods yet. Shifting like crazy here. Settle down. Not even going to be a nice 30. Still take. really hard to get a read on the tape here, right? There's just these pockets. It's because these our levels have contracted so small here now. It's just like watching the tape pockets of development, but I'm only trying to focus on the levels here. 42, 41 and a half, and 60 far. We've held dips in or 22 has held, right? We're trying to get that rotation up to 40 and a half. Still really ugly here. As soon as you hit 32 to 34, all is have to lift it if they're going to fire to 4.5 and that. Same with the NQ. NQ's got to get this thing past 734. Right, there's a wall waiting for them in 34.60 tape wide. So far, hard level 56 here has clicked below it, and then did the absolute snot out of it. Gotta lean on that there. We can do. Nothing's clean, man. We're all order flow observation. Talked about bell would ring. It's up, down, drill, auto reverse, do that. So reds are wonky. At price action like this, just a straight up, straight down, straight down. I'll just let this close. And then I have to go. Any questions? Back here in 2 seconds. All right, once again, I'm going to sign out of the YouTube stream. Watch him. Liked what you saw. Got any questions or comments, just drop them in the section below that. Maybe give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Just want to find out more, again, links in the description. Whole free section. You can come and learn about at least the tape. Curious about all the other stuff here that I talk about. Don't share publicly. Send me a DM or what. I'll send you a DM. Anyways, we're a really small team. Focused. Not a place that you come and appreciate you. Thanks for watching. See you guys tomorrow.